everyone, it's CajunDIYDiva, and today we are at a small hotel in Orlando. Just wanted to show you what some of the Orlando hotels are that are in the International Drive area. So this one is actually on Universal Boulevard near the Convention Center, and we are at the Hampton Inn Convention Center. So you can see this is a room with 2 queen beds. Pretty nice, I'd say. And let's start over here. There's the door, and there is a sliding closet door that also acts as the door to the bathroom. So if you're in the bathroom with the door shut, then the closet is open, and vice versa. So it has a bathtub, shower combo, all your regular products, towels. There is a blow dryer. So all your regular amenities. In the closet, there's a big full-length mirror here on the closet sliding door, and there's luggage rack, ironing board, and an extra blanket. So over here, there's a little bench, which I like that. It could be either a bench or an extra place to put luggage. You know, there's 2 beds in the room, and hotels always put only 1 luggage rack. So I like that. There's like a desk here with space underneath to put more things. Your TV. Here's your only storage really in here besides the closet. Let's open this door, and yeah, it's little iron drawers. So a little strange. There's your single serve coffee maker and products down there. Ice bucket, your desk. There is USB ports by the desk. And I'll have to tell you that the air conditioning works really well in this room, which is, you know, not the case in a lot of hotel rooms these days. Over here by the lamps, more USB ports and outlets, which is always nice to have, and little reading lamps on only one side of the bed. They're not on both sides. So this is CajunDIYDiva at the Hampton Inn Convention Center in Orlando. So thanks for watching.